The easiest way to add extra credit is to create an extra credit assignment and make sure it has 0 points possible. In this example, I have set up a course based on total points. I have one assignment group named Assignments. I have created an extra credit assignment. You can see it is worth 0 points. If we look at grades in this example, I have set up running scores from A to D for demonstration purposes. If I add 2 points of extra credit for this assignment, you will see it adds over 100% under the assignments group, and the total goes up by 2 points. The amount it increases, the 1.18%, is dependent upon the total points you have in the course.